welcome back to another episode of Nanus Vibes. So today I'm going to talk about the world's largest garden, Dubai Miracle Garden. The park has reopened under strict health and safety measures in line with government directives. There will be temperature checks on arrival as well as social distancing in place across the park. As you know, Dubai Miracle Garden is one of the most stunning attractions in Dubai, and every year heaps of visitors head to Dubailand to take in the super sights of the 72,000 square meter flower park. There are more than 150 million flowers and more than 120 different varieties. It's a bucket list spot for residents and tourists alike. Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest natural flower garden in the world, and 2020 is its 9th season. Some of the flowers had never been cultivated in the region before either. There's also 400-meter walking track to take in the flower art, where there will be also floral parades, street performers, Zumba sessions and more. Guinness World Records. The Dubai Miracle Garden has so far made 3 Guinness World Records. In 2013, the Dubai Miracle Garden was declared as the world's largest vertical garden. Currently, an Airbus A380 flower structure in the garden is listed by Guinness World Records as the biggest flower structure in the world. The 18-meter topiary of Mickey Mouse, which weighs almost 35 tons, is the tallest topiary-supported sculpture in the world. Park services. Dubai Miracle Garden provides state-of-art services and all kinds of facilities. Dubai Miracle Garden has also expanded its parking facilities to almost 60,000 square meter, which will accommodate nearly 2,000 cars. Mickey Mouse, the product of a licensing agreement between Dubai Miracle Garden and Walt Disney Company. The 18-foot-high Mickey Mouse topiary at the Disney Avenue was named the world's largest topiary structure by the Guinness World Record in 2018. Over 100,000 flowers and plants make the massive 35-ton structure. Guests can also take their picture next to other beloved characters from Mickey Mouse and Friends. The EMIRATES Airbus A380 is the largest passenger aircraft in the world. Visitors can see the floral recreation of this mammoth aircraft at Dubai Miracle Garden. Around 500,000 flowers from 7 different species are used to create the life-size structure. It took 4 months to harvest the flowers for the floral version of Airbus A380, while the entire recreation process took 200 days. The 12-meter high teddy bear structure, which comprises of thousands of fresh plants and flowers, is one of the beautiful attractions in the garden. All the walking makes for tired feet. Luckily, you can always take a breath at one of the many cabanas in Miracle Garden. Among the many additions introduced in the park's latest edition is a new 400-meter walking track that provides more walking spaces for guests. The newly expanded track will also host daily entertainment. A major feature at the reopening of Dubai Miracle Garden is the aerial floating lady, fittingly dressed in an array of exotic flowers. A team of swirling ballet dancers is the most innovative floral theme ever witnessed at the Dubai Miracle Garden. The ability of this floral theme to stay in continuous swirling motion is its biggest innovative factor. The flowers are maintained by reuse of treated wastewater through drip irrigation. Method 1, with an average amount of 757.82 liters of water per day. According to the officials of Dubai Miracle Garden, the Dubai municipality retrieves the grey water of the city and sends it directly to the garden. The garden again refilters the water and converts it to a very high quality water for its usage at the garden. The garden is only watered after the closing hours at night. The hilltop, having vibrantly colorful flower, dazzles the visitors of the Dubai Miracle Garden. A beautiful passage takes you to rather deeply located area of the garden, and upon reaching its floor, you can watch color flowers from the bottom to the high altitude, which makes it a hill of flowers. It gives you an impression as if you have come at the valley of Dubai Miracle Garden, where you are surrounded with colorful flowers, floral themes, and even trees at the very top, and several coffee shops and ice cream bar on top for refreshments. This is the kids area. Many things are available here like face painting, buying very fun items for kids and a beautiful playing area. So we are heading back home. So what I have to say about this place is a beautiful place and we can take a lot of photos because there's a lot of beautiful places in here. So thank you for watching. Bye.